This video is overdue.
9 months overdue.
What's up, guys? It has been a long time, but I am back. I am here with a video that is actually 9 months overdue. I am trying on a baby pink wig by Sensational. I purchased this wig when I purchased the mint green one, and I did a video on that, which was 9 months ago. The wig was cute. I took my pictures, and since then I have not put that wig on. And you guys know that was when I was in high spirits, and I'm like, yeah, the pink video is coming right after this one, and it just didn't happen, along with a whole bunch of other videos that were supposed to happen last year, and it just did not happen. So with that being said, I'm going to get into the video. I'm going to be trying on a wig that I purchased a while back ago from samsbeauty.com. And like I said earlier, when I say a while back ago, it was a while back ago. But here's the video to that wig if you like that color. It's called Mint Frost. So this is the same exact wig as before, it's just a different color. It's the Sensationnel Shear Muse Lachan, and I got the color baby pink. When I ordered this, I didn't pay attention to what I pressed. I just saw pink and pressed it, but I was trying to get this pink. And so that didn't happen, so I just gotta work with what I got. I've said it before, I typically go the synthetic route when I want to try a different color, because, you know, buying 613 hair and coloring it gets expensive, and especially if you don't like the color, versus I could spend $30 on a synthetic wig, test out the color, and honestly it'll do justice for whatever type of event I'm trying to do anyway. So basically it's trying out the color without having to fully commit to it. So I'm gonna go ahead and start opening the box. You know, if you're here, most people typically have had experience with synthetic wigs, so you know how the box comes. Take everything out, has all the paper and padding to protect the wig. I'm gonna take that apart. It has the tag on there. These are the colors the wigs come in. This is the color I got. Like, I'll attach it again. But I wanted to try so many of these different colors, but I was like, I need to find a different style wig instead of just all straight. So the lace says it's ear to ear, and it has baby hair, so you scoop that around however you like, whatever. Last time I just plucked apart a little bit, left the baby hairs as they were, you know, swooped them to my face, of course. And so I'm running my fingers through it, and this didn't have too many shedding strands like the blue wig last time, so that's pretty cool. But it is like sticking up like flyaways. But it's safe to be curled or flat ironed between 350 and 400 degrees. So, but I never take flat irons to the synthetic, but we'll see what's going on. So I'm going to place this on the mannequin, set it in front of you guys, and show you what I do to my wigs, and then I'll come back. So I'm back. I wasn't as detailed because I have a video on this last time. If you want to see like how I really plucked it and cut the baby hairs and stuff like that and slick them down, you can go check out my old video. But this is the color baby pink. Ooh, I need my paddle brush. I like the mint frost one better than this one. Maybe it's because I'm not into pink or whatever, but like I would get a good picture in this wig and probably make it, you know, a logo picture or something. And then I mean, I feel like I didn't place this wig on as good as I could have. This is the color baby pink. So come in, zoom in. I mean, it's thin enough in the front, but like I say, I didn't lay this as good as I could have. But you guys get the idea. I probably still should have put equal as effort into this one as I did with the mint frost one, but it's like, you guys seen this wig before. The only thing that has changed is the color. So I'm really not feeling this color on myself, but this is Sensational Baby Pink Lachan, samsbeauty.com. I'll put the link below. So once again, thank you for stopping by and watching my video. And if you like, don't forget to like, leave a comment if you've dealt with these wigs before, and also subscribe to me for more content. Peace out. I really don't like this color on me.